Hey guys, what's up? We just got done installing our Performance Online fuel cell, all aluminum 19-gallon tank. Goes in the back of the frame rails. We have to remove a couple brackets, which you can follow along. And the bracket pieces go on the inside. You drill it from the bottom. Really cool, clean install. Engineered really well. Replaces the factory fuel cell that's in the cab. It's around 18.5 gallon factory, so you get a little more fuel, a little more space inside the cab. You'll run new lines. You'll have to remove your factory fuel filler. But other than that, fits really good, really nice piece, and check out the install. All right, now that we got the fuel cell completely installed, we're gonna go ahead and remove it so we can coat the frame. We installed it first so we can drill the holes where the frame's not already coated and ruin it. So we're gonna remove it, coat the frame, reinstall it, get it all put back together, and move on to the next step.